Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of 60-Second Stats with Dr. O'Day, Factorial ANOVA edition. So in this study, I wanted to know whether people like Pepsi or Coke better, and if that depends on the temperature of the beverage. So I manipulated the temperature of the beverage as 90 degrees and 35 degrees. So I'm going to come up to my analyses. I could do this using the ANOVA option, but I prefer to do this using the JAMLJ add-on for general linear model. So here I'm going to put beverage and temperature in as the factors and how much they like the soda as the dependent variable. We see that that's testing both main effects and the interaction. I'm going to ask for a plot showing these effects, and I'm also going to ask for simple effects. So what we see here is that there is a significant effect of beverage, and when we look at the plot, we see that Pepsi is significantly higher than Coke on average. We also see that there's a significant effect of temperature of the beverage, such that people like the 90-degree beverage less than the 35-degree beverage, and there is a significant interaction, such that the difference between the temperatures for Pepsi is quite small, but the difference in the temperatures for Coke is quite large, and we see those significance tests right here. That's all I have for this one. If you have any questions or want to see a video, please let me know and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.